Hey guys, and welcome back to day 7, I believe, of this motor build. Today is going to be a very busy day. I'm going to be starting off by putting my flywheel back on, get the clutch back on, get the transmission bolted back up to it, and then I should be able to get this thing hanging back in the motor bay and start getting some hosing back onto it. So, let's get to it. How about that? What a neat tool. I like this thing. Alright, tighten in a minimum of 2 steps, ending with 25 to 33 Newton meters or 24 foot-pounds. Beautiful. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. This was a good purchase. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing pretty well. Clutch is on, flywheel's on, transmission is cleaned up for the most part. It was very nasty inside, so I did my best to clean it up. Now I'm going to put some lubricant on this spline here and try to figure out a way to wiggle this bitch on. Let's see what happens. There we go.
Wow. Could that have been an easier quality? That's the move, folks.
That's the move. That's how you make it happen. Perfect. Cool. That's cool, man. How the fuck does this sit? This is... Oh, I removed this altogether. This comes off in
Oh, cool.
and then this sits in like that. Oh, look at that.
Very good.
We're getting somewhere. They gave me a short nut for it. That's amazing. Good job, Damon Motorsports. You guys actually, make a good product. You just got to be smart and look in the package and actually see it. What a group of guys. How about that? Got some information set up for this thing. I got my passenger side new Damon Motorsports mount on. I'm working on the transmission side. I needed to use what I'm filming with right now to find information. Looks really good. I'm pretty stoked on how it's turning out. These things look awesome. Needed to find some torque specs for them because these went to 40. This was 60 and this side's a little different. These are 40 but this is 70 and this one's a little complicated to get in because I got to put it in like this, get it up underneath and then put the battery mount back on top because that's actually what holds all 4 of these down is the battery bracket that sits there. Bit of an odd design, but I mean, Lots of stuff on this car has been an odd design. I'm gonna torque the driver's side motor mount first, and then do the axle, and then I think we can put this thing in. Pretty fucking cool.
That's a menacing face if I've ever seen one.
Okay, so had to take a bit of a break to move some stuff, but I was able to get my one heat shield back in. Where did we leave off? Oh yeah, we're going to install the starter back into its little home there. Try to position my ass on here somewhere. Ow, my ass. It hurts. I'm just gonna have to float it.
Like shitting in the woods.
Alright, well, after a whole bunch of frustration and lots of questions, managed to get this damn thing back in the motor bay. Got the passenger side mount up, working on the driver's side right now. Getting both the axles in was fun, to say the least. Right, Mike?
Oh,
so much
dude.
fun.
Millimeters of clearance.
So, this is where we're at so far. Like I said, we're working on the driver's side mount. I just gotta re-torque everything. I had to take it off completely. This one is in and fully torqued, so that's nice. It's happy days. Let us continue. There we go. 70 foot-pounds. Hold it up. Whoa, motor's hanging on its own in the motor bay for the first time in 2 years. That's pretty cool. Gotta move.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Holy shit, what's going on?
Yeah, right?
Cool. Yes, I can put my new shiny in.